Mr. Cook, make everything better. Eight boiled eggs. Basmati rice 500 grams, soak for 30 minutes. Lightly fry eggs on all sides. Boil 1.5 liters water for the rice. Cumin seeds ½ teaspoon. 4 cloves, 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 green cardamom. Salt 1.5 tablespoons. Once water boils, add the rice. Strain the rice, should take 7 to 8 minutes. Heat oil 4 tablespoons. 5 cloves, 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 8 peppercorns, 2 black cardamom, bay leaves 2 nose. Cumin seeds ½ teaspoon. Sliced onions 3 medium. Fry for 10 minutes on medium heat. Fry till onions are light brown. Ginger garlic paste 3 teaspoons. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Chopped tomatoes 4 medium. Fry for 2 minutes on medium heat. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Biryani Masala 2 teaspoons. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Lower heat. Cook till tomatoes are soft. Whisked curd 4 tablespoons. Stir continuously. Cook for 4 minutes on low heat. Boiled eggs lightly fried. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Chopped coriander ½ cup. Mint leaves ½ cup. Green chillies 4 nose. Slit. Mix well. Water ½ cup. Cook for 2 minutes for a thick gravy. Spread half of the rice on top of egg masala. Saffron milk 2 teaspoons. Mint leaves handful. Layer with rest of the rice. Saffron milk 1 teaspoon. Food color few drops. Fried onions handful. Cover and cook 7 minutes on low heat. Turn over rice to mix egg masala. Serve immediately to the dining table. For some more delicious new recipes, subscribe and click bell icon our channel. Thanks for watching Mr. Cook.